Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Hello, family. Hello, explorers. Welcome to a journey like no other. Today, we're in Portland and we're exploring a 2-for-1. Yes, guys. We're looking at 3 of the many places that you can go for an attraction and get another as bonus. Many persons think that Portland is the most beautiful, or at least one of the most beautiful parishes in Jamaica. What do you think? Our first stop is at Boston Jerk Center. Most persons know that you go to Boston for the best jerk. That's jerk chicken, jerk pork, jerk fish, just all kind of jerk. And this is served with festival roast breadfruit. I'm surprised they have breadfruit almost all year round. And of course, you get your cold drink as well. You can see, guys, we have different stalls that offer different variation of the jerk. But all in all, it's an amazing place to go for just the best tasting jerk you can think of. Just a stone throw away is a pristine and breathtaking beach, the Boston Beach. It's nice and sandy. I like that about it. It doesn't have a whole lot of rocks, and you can just chill for the day, just have a nice picnic with family or friends. I just love it here. It's very tranquil and peaceful. My next stop was in Long Bay. I hesitate to pronounce the name because, to be frank with you guys, I'm not even sure if I remember how to, but I'm going to say it is Acai Cafe. I'm not going to say the name again just in case I don't have it correct. I like the atmosphere in this quaint little stop. You know, some things that's really had me curious and looking up close to it. As you can see, guys, this is definitely a unique touch. Visiting Portland, this is definitely a stop you want to make. And it was put together by the manager himself. I absolutely recommend this stop. Now, next door, guys, you're really in for a treat. This is a restaurant and chill spot operated by Nikki and her spouse. They specialize in local cuisine. And guys, let me tell you something. I tried some of her curry goat and it was amazing. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good, good. So, can you tell me about your business?
Well, my business is a small business located in Long Bay District, Long Bay PO, in Portland. And I've been here from 2007. Ups and downs, but it's all right.
Yes.
It's my daily living.
Yes, and you serve drinks and a cook meal.
Drinks and cook meal also.
All right.
Your fish to harder, your lobster to harder, and a lobster season.
Yes.
And you do like run down to harder and everything, you know.
Yes, and we do like smoothie also. To order like soursop smoothie. We do papaya with melon and all those things. Yes.
All right. So if people want, they can just come
and
they can get a meal and a cool drink.
A cool drink and jelly and relaxation on the beach.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, guys, we're gonna take a walk on the beach and we will show you what it looks like down there. All right. So guys, we're walking on the beach. Me and Nikki, we're just taking a walk, and the beach is right behind the restaurant. It is cool and sunny and a very, very beautiful day.
Hello.
Yes. Oh, guys, look at this. This is out here in Long Bay. Wow.
It's relaxing here, and we enjoy like the cool breeze, sitting on the beach, and you can meditate and no molestation.
Yeah. Nikki, how long you been operating at this location?
From 2007.
2007. Wow. And you get a lot of business?
Yes, especially with tourist season. You
Yes.
get a lot of people, but from Corona, everything is just slow now.
Okay.
Yeah, but we're still here, open. It's up back.
Yes. Nikki, tell the people what are some of the foods that you serve.
I serve steamed fish done to order. Ital rundown done to order. Shrimps done to order. And on a daily basic like fried chicken, curry chicken, baked chicken, stewed chicken with rice and peas and steamed vegetables or pasta.
Okay. And if they want a cool drink of coconut?
And if they want coconut, we have the coconut trees here. As long as they are having water, they can have
Yes.
coconut.
Guys, this is amazing. You have to check out Nikki's location out here in Long Bay.
More strength, Long Bay.
Irie Bar, guys. All right. This is absolutely beautiful. You can just come and have a meal and relax and enjoy the water. If you want to take a dip or if you want to just eat on the beach, that's fine. Guys, thank you, Nikki. My adventure did not end with Nikki. Oh no. My next stop was at Frenchmans Cove. Most persons have at least heard about Frenchman's Cove. It's a hotel which boasts luxury cottages and a charming beach. Imagine waking up to the soothing sound of waves and enjoying the opulence of your private cottage. That's what Frenchman's Cove offers, guys. Just a few steps away, a lovely beach which invites you to bask in the sun or just take a leisurely stroll along the shore. And that's not all. It has a river that runs right into the ocean. Oh, yes. Look at this, guys. Isn't this amazing? Can I tell you, I could spend all day here. Well, there you have it. 3 of what I consider to be Portland's most outstanding 2-for-1 special. You go to one place and you cannot resist going to the other because it's right there. Guys, thanks for staying with me throughout this video. And until next time, ciao!